Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome to my channel. It is a learning with Dr. Khalil Ahmed, and I will introduce myself. Regarding my introduction, I am Khalil Ahmed, and I am living in district Laya, and completed my matriculation examination in 2003 in MCI school Laya. Then I moved toward the postgraduate college, where I completed my FSc medical in 2006. Then I thought that I should further study, and I moved to Faisalabad in University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. There I completed my BSc Honor Agriculture in Field Plant Breeding and Genetics in 2010. And after that I won a scholarship that was MSc Honor leading to PhD, and that was I successfully got that scholarship and got admission in MSc Honor in Plant Breeding and Genetics. During my MSc Honor Plant Breeding Genetics, I did research on the pulses. That's a manipulation of genetics of pulses crop so that we can increase the production of pulses. If I remember, in pulses I worked on chickpea crop. Then I successfully completed my that degree and got admission in PhD. And in PhD I changed my mind that I should also knowledge about the cereal breeding. Then I switched to crop maize. That's I started research on maize breeding. And in PhD, if I remember, I did in very well on crop, very well on breeding, and experiments on salt tolerance. The actually topic was genetics of salt tolerance in maize, and I performed I think 4 experiments on the study of genetics in salt tolerance. And I also moved in USA in 2016 to get higher expertise in that topic. And in Michigan State University, Dr. Mariam Strickland, she was my professor, and I got different expertise on transgenic maize. What is transgenic maize? Actually, it is we introduce gene of interest in a crop. So in USA, that was I introduced the gene which we deal with the torrency of saline areas, salinity. And I also visited different states in USA to gather the knowledge of my field of interest, like in Pennsylvania and Indiana state, and also visited in Washington State University. And there is a famous garden in Niagara, near Niagara Fall, where I also visited to gather the knowledge of about my own field of interest. So I came back Pakistan, and in 2008 I joined as an assistant professor in Bahadur campus, BZU, and I am working there now. And the personalities I really impressed are initially I would like to pay tribute and like to pay thanks also my father, Sufirab Nawaz. He is late. He really did a lot of sacrifices for me, and he did a lot of struggle for me. And the most important, I also want to pay thanks to my primary teachers, my higher secondary teachers, and Dr. Riaz and Professor Dr. Riaz in postgraduate college. And he did a lot for me, and I will definitely want to pay tribute to him also. He is a professor in chemistry department in postgraduate college Laya. And another name is Dr. Tahir Rashid. He is my uncle also. He really did a lot for me at that time when I was really staggering in university. And he motivated me, he gave me knowledge. He is a soil scientist, and now he is living in Canada. Nowadays he is in Pakistan. He has a horizon of knowledge of different fields. Like now, actually he is a soil scientist, and I told them, I tell you people that He has a horizons of knowledge, and now he is working on the different aspects of medicinal aspects to overcome the COVID-19 problem. And I don't forget Dr. Naeem also. He is a friend of Dr. Tahir Rashid. He really did care of me when I was in NARC also. And another I also want to pay thanks to the ex-director Dr. Mubashir Saab, and he was a director in Bahadur campus in 2018. And I also want to pay thanks to Dr. Muhammad Ijaz Randhawa. He is a principal College of Agriculture Bahadur campus, who gave me chance to serve in Bahadur campus. And I also want to pay thanks to other faculty in Bahadur campus. So the most important thing is that what is the need of this channel, why I am going to start this channel. You all people know that there is a pandemic of COVID-19 nowadays, and you all know that our educational activities are totally going to held. So I think that there should be a channel, because there is a technological era we are living in. So it's a really nice thing that if I start a channel, on that channel I can also share my lectures for my student on agriculture topics, and I can also give consultancy about the successful production of crop for the community. And so I am thinking that, and there should be a motivational talks also. There will be definitely a motivational talks also in this channel, regarding the topic that what should be the purpose of humankind, that we are living in this world. And there will be little bit entertainment also. So at the end I would like to say thanks for your patience, and stay home, stay alive. Allah Hafiz.